guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be teaching you how to draw these two little snails. I started off by drawing the big snail's head, and it's basically a circle that I've tailed off on one side. And then drawing a circle shape that's smaller than the head, and this is its shell, and I just joined it to the same part of the circle, and then I've added the tail, and then adding a swirly twirl thing in the middle of the shell. And then for the antenna, I'm adding two little lines with a circle at the end, and I'm doing two of these as well on each side. And then I'm adding two big circles on the ends for the and then adding a big circle on each eye and a little circle on the top. And I'm adding a little smile. And then starting on the little snail, it's exactly the same, I'm just doing it the opposite way and much smaller. I decided that this little snail would be a girl snail, so I added little bows at the bottom of the antenna. I think it looks really cute, but this is completely optional. And then I'm adding the antenna. And then adding some grass on each side and in the middle of the snails. And I completely forgot to draw the little eyebrows in, so don't forget those. The drawing's done. I've got my black fine liner. You don't need to use a fine liner, you can use any black pen. And I'm outlining the eye, and I'm just going over the pencil lines that we've drawn. I'm then going to colour it in, and just make sure to leave the circles that you drew white and colour it the rest in black. I'm using a black Sharpie to colour in the eyes, just because it's much faster and leaves a much smoother surface. Pause this video now and go ahead and blackline over all the pencil lines you've drawn. For the little snail, I added eyelashes. I just forgot to draw them, but they look really cute and you can add them if you want. And then I'm going in with the rubber and rubbing out all the pencil lines that are left from underneath. I've got a yellow Sharpie and I'm going to colour in the head, the antenna and the tail of both snails. I then got a turquoise colour and I've coloured in the shell of the big snail, but you can choose whatever colour you want. And I got a light pink and coloured in the bows and the shell of the little snail. But again, you can choose whatever colour you want. I got a green Sharpie and coloured in the grass, and I coloured underneath the snails too. And then I'm adding shading, so I got a light orange and I'm colouring on the left side of the snail's face, on everywhere that I've coloured in yellow. shading makes it look three-dimensional, and I think it makes the picture look much better, so it's always worth a try. I then got a green Sharpie and I'm going to shade the big snail's shell. So I'm also doing it on the left side and on all the lines in the swirl, and also shading on the left side. And this makes the shell look more three-dimensional. Then got a dark pink, and I'm doing exactly the same that I did on the green shell on this little pink shell. Yeah, and I'm doing it on the bows too. A dark green Sharpie, I'm going to be shading the grass, always on the left side. I've then got myself a white pen and I'm adding highlights on the right side. There's no specific place that you need to put the highlights, just make sure that it's on the right side because it should always be on the opposite side that you shaded on. Well done, you finished the snails. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.